Something's cooking up again in Tesla's garage, and we are nothing but excited to see what it is as the company's owner, Elon Musk, has just announced it. Watch this video till the end to find more about what's coming. As claimed by the owner of the company, Elon Musk, this new car will be something so top-notch and above and beyond in terms of quality and manufacturing than any of the other automobile companies in the industry. The evidence to this claim is that Tesla has officially announced their master plan. Their release of a brand new version with a range of about 250 miles with the same price as $25,000. So we can say that Tesla is working on a smaller, rather affordable EV to rival every other electric vehicle. As said by Elon, that people will be excited about two new products and that they are indeed building them. Tesla's not only creating this new model, rather they are bringing a revolution in the design and the manufacturing methodologies that will be used in their electric vehicle. So what is this vehicle? What sort of unique features does this vehicle possess? Why is it produced, and when it will be out for the public? Let's explore all of this in today's video. But before we move on, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so that you always stay informed with everything happening in the tech industry. With that, let's get into today's episode. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, stated at the firm's annual shareholder meeting that the business is working on not one, but two new electric automobiles. Musk stressed that both EVs were yet to be publicly introduced, ruling out the upcoming Tesla Cybertruck and a bit delayed Roadster. Musk also stated that the cars are being constructed rather than planned, implying that they are further along in the manufacturing process than expected. One of the vehicles might be the previously suspected Model 2, while the other could be a redesigned Model 3, dubbed Highland. Tesla has often referred to the Model 2 as the future of automobiles. The business has previously previewed the new hatchback model in a social media post, and it's expected to be priced far lower than the $42,000 Model 3, making it the brand's most affordable vehicle. Expect something resembling the Model 3 in a more stubby, compact shape. A price tag of less than $20,000 is rumored, owing to the more efficient method it will be manufactured. Lars Moravi, Tesla's vice president of automotive engineering, mentioned the new production method on the company's most recent conference call that, when there's a car that's roughly 5 meters long, one needs people working around it. He also explained that they will shift to this approach where they take different elements of a car and do more at the same time, as they did with the Model Y structural battery pack. He also mentioned that they can have more humans or robots working on the automobile at the same time. Moravi described the new manufacturing option as a two-for-one proposition, as it will be both faster and cheaper. Talking about the cost, he said that it should help cut costs by up to 50%, making the brand's widely speculated $20,000 EV much more practical. The company is also making 85% of the controllers on the car for Cybertruck. For the next generation platform, the firm is planning to finish the job and develop 100% of the controllers, giving complete control over the design and supply chain. Having complete control of the supply chain at the component level has been essential to Tesla in recent years, since supply bottlenecks have impacted their capacity to construct cars. Tesla has disclosed that its next generation vehicle would also feature a new powertrain that will be less expensive to manufacture, more efficient, and less reliant on rare earth metals. The other vehicle, which Musk may have previewed at the event, might be the Model 3's replacement. The alleged Highland model is said to have more refined aesthetics and, ideally, superior handling. It remains to be seen whether it will also run on Tesla's next-generation platform. But wait, there's more to that. Let's talk about this model in terms of its appearance and unique features. During a recent Tesla investor event, early concept sketches suggested that the vehicle will have a high bonnet line, a squat roof, and wheels pushed out to the corners to optimize inside space. Indeed, the Model 2 should be more practical than today's Tesla Model 3 saloon in several ways. Instead of the Model 3's tiny boot opening, the Model 2 has a hatch, which makes it simpler to load and unload heavy objects. Inside, there will be seating for 5 people, and practically every function will be operated by the same 15. 4. In landscape-oriented touchscreen found in the Model 3 and Model Y. Our experience with this technology shows that novice Tesla drivers would need to adjust to it. There is no instrument cluster, so even your speed is displayed on the center screen, but it responds swiftly to inputs. It also includes applications like Netflix for enjoyment while charging. While the Model 2's entire technical specs are still unknown, we do know that it will feature a new generation of electric motors that do not include any rare earth elements. The cost of sourcing such materials is a significant element in the present price of electric vehicles. But don't expect those engines to be any less robust than those found in Teslas today. The basic Model 2 will have just one engine driving the front wheels and will cost the previously mentioned headline-grabbing amount. It will, however, be joined by more costly dual-motor four-wheel drive variations, including a performance model to cap the lineup. And what about the battery pack? The Model 2's battery will be fresh and far more effective than the brand's existing batteries, with technology that promises up to 16% greater range per kilowatt-hour. In theory, a battery with half the capacity of the Model 3's 60 kWh unit might get the Model 2 roughly 180 miles between charges. Model 2 buyers will, of course, have access to Tesla's supercharger network of ultra-fast charges. There are presently roughly 1,000 of them in the UK, as well as numerous additional destination chargers in hotels, restaurants, and resorts. Using the supercharger network, a Model 3 can be charged from 0 to 80% in 27 minutes, while the Model 2 might be charged in as little as 15 minutes. The Model 2 will include the complete range of Tesla driving aids, including technologies that allow the car to regulate its own position inside a lane on the highway, as well as its speed, and the ability to change lanes autonomously, where legal. The Model 2 should come with the same 4-year, 50,000-mile guarantee as the Model 3, with the battery and electric motor supported for up to 120,000 miles, based on the model. The Model 2 will also be among the first Teslas to be constructed in a new, more streamlined method, and the company is substantially scaling up battery manufacturing to meet predicted high demand. Tesla is actively developing successors for the Tesla Model S Saloon and Tesla Model X SUV at the opposite end of its product line. Furthermore, it still wants to launch a pickup vehicle based on the 2019 Cybertruck idea. However, plans to produce a new Tesla Roadster sports vehicle appear to have been scrapped. When this car was unveiled, Tesla said it would sprint from 0-60 mph in 1.9 seconds and achieve a peak speed of more than 250 miles per hour. So when can we expect the release of Model 2? According to Morgan Stanley, the Model 2's formal launch date will be substantially closer to production timelines than previous Model 3 and Model Y debuts. This is due to Tesla's desire to prevent the Osborne effect, in which a new product introduction might cause orders of previous goods to be disrupted while customers wait for the updated version. According to Morgan Stanley, Tesla's next model will be released in late 2024, with 300,000 units delivered in 2025. However, EV-Volumes.com, S. Victor Earle predicts that Model 2 will sell 700,000 units by the end of 2025, with the majority of them going to China and Europe. Tesla's tiny EV will sell 42 million units, nearly doubling the sales of its mid-size EVs, Model 3 and Model Y combined. That sounds like a lofty goal for just one car, especially for a firm that only sells roughly 1 million units of all its models combined each year. As per the efficiency and robustness of this new Tesla model, we believe that the car will turn out to be something great, as stated by Musk himself. What are your thoughts on this, though? Let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed watching today's video, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn the notification bell on to never miss an update in future. Thanks for watching and see you soon.